Hello boys and girls, and welcome to the 6th installment of our Recorded Karate video series. Today we're going to be looking at the song "O Win the Saints" for our blue belt. Now before we begin learning "O Win the Saints," we first need to go over some new ideas that you're going to be seeing in your Recorded Karate book. The first of which is called a tie. Now if you take a look in your book at the blue belt song "O Win the Saints," you will see a line that is connecting some of the notes together. That is called a tie. And when we tie two notes together, that means we are combining the two lengths of each note together. So if I have a whole note tied to a quarter note, that means I'm going to hold that note for 5 beats. 4 notes for the whole note, 1 note for the quarter note. We also see it with a couple other times in the song where a dotted half note, which is 3 beats, is tied together with a half note, so we get a total of 5 beats as well. Okay. If you have any questions about tied notes, please feel free to ask me, as well as we will be going over them pretty well in class and talking about them. The other thing that we need to learn for today's song is we need to learn 2 new notes. High C, which is our second finger and our thumb. So B is first finger and thumb. C is now second finger and thumb. So if I play B and then C, it looks like this. And that's a good thing to practice a few times, is B to C and back and forth. You got to get used to playing from B to C and switching those fingers. The other note that we're going to learn today is a high D, which is the same as C, but you let go of the thumb. Okay? Sounds like this. So if I play C to D, this is what it sounds like. If I play B to C to D, this is what it sounds like. And that B, C, D is included a few times in our song today. So that's something definitely to practice and take a look at. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to come see me at any time. As always, first I will use the fingerings for the notes. Make sure that you have your book open and are ready to sing along and then play along with "O Win the Saints." 1, 2, 3, 4. G, B, C, D. G, B, C, D. G, B, C, D, B, G, B, A, B, A, G, G, B, D, 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 C, B, C, D, B, G, A, B. Now you may notice that we don't have to use the left-handed all for this song, so you can keep it on the bottom if you wish, or just in case, you can always hover it over. But today I'm just holding it down here so we can see what the right hand or left-handed fingering is for the song. Once again, if you have any questions, I'm playing this a little bit quickly, so you can always stop and play this slower. I will play it a little bit slower than we just did the fingerings, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. And if you have watched this video the whole way through and has played along with both of them, then you will know the answer to this question, which is how many notes are tied in the song "O Win the Saints?" If you come and see me with that answer, I'll have a token waiting for you. Thanks, boys and girls. Keep practicing. See you in school.